versus General Kwai.
My armor will crush your pathetic forces. This area was once fertile farmland. Soon your blood will make it fertile again. Soon we will remove you from our lands.
We will live in prosperity. A very good plan, General. Building a Chinese empire. We have big plans. It will look real nice when it's done.
Upgrade complete.
Building is complete. Let's build. Construction is complete. China will grow larger. Build for China. It will look real nice when it's done.
It's quiet out there, General. There must be a lot of tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think?
Tear through their armor. We will live in prosperity. Construction built to spec. A very good plan, General. Let's build.
Let's pick up some goods.
We'll tear through their armor. Nice location.
Let's pick up some goods.
China's rocket soldier. I like the construction built to spec. I'm carrying the big gun. We will live in prosperity. China will grow larger. Build orders complete, sir. Let's build.
Your supply pile looks low. Now nothing can stop us.
Building is complete. We'll tear through their armor. I like the big targets. Building is complete. China has been through their armor. It will look real nice when it's China's done. Rocket soldier. Build orders complete, sir.
Here we come, General. I hope your defenses are up.
We'll tear through their armor. I like the big targets. We'll tear through their armor. China's rocket soldier. Let's fight the tank. Tear through their armor. Tank hunter here.
Tanks! Build more tanks!
We'll tear through their armor.
We are approaching your base, General. Prepare yourself. I see you haven't run in fear, General. Soon, you'll wish you had.
Tear through their armor. Enemy tanks out there? I like the big targets. We'll tear through their armor.
You are losing, General. This battle is mine.
Tank hunter here. We'll tear through their armor. China's rocket soldier. We'll tear through their armor. I'm carrying the big gun. We'll tear through their armor. Enemy tanks out there? We'll tear through their armor. China's rocket soldier.
Another battalion is on its way, General. Please make them feel welcome.
We'll tear through their targets. Yes, General. I'm carrying the big gun. We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
We have big plans. China will grow larger.
We've breached your defenses, General. Now your factories will begin to fall.
Let's build. A very good plan, General.
Ah, my tanks are almost in range of your
Building
base.
is complete.
This should be over soon.
Building is complete.
We'll tear through their armor.
All hope is gone now, General. Surrender or die. Supplies. I need more supplies.
We have big plans.
Tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor. Tank under here. We'll tear through their armor.
China has been generous.
We'll tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor.
Your defenses fall like toys before my armor.
Carrying the big gun. We'll tear through their
China.
armor.
That's a good choice.
China's rocket soldier.
Construction is complete.
I'm carrying the big gun. Enemy tanks out there?
We will live in prosperity.
China's rocket soldier. Dead in their backs.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General?
Let's build.
Enough! Do not destroy any more of my
Nice
tanks,
when
General.
it's done. Building is complete.
Thank you for inviting us into your base, General.
I'm carrying the big gun.
Let's build. A very good plan, General. We will live in prosperity.
General, our base is under attack.
Pizza. Let's build. China will grow larger. We have big plans. I build for China.
General, my forces outnumber yours. It is only a matter of time now.
Nice when it's done.
Are you protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look?
We'll tear through their armor. China's rocket soldier. Moving rocket launcher.
Build orders complete, sir. Let's build. Construction built to spec. We have big plans.
I am going to take this time to
China will
construct
grow
more
larger.
defenses. No, wait. I'll build more tanks instead.
Construction is complete.
Are you impressed with the modifications to my tanks, General?
Unit lost.
I build for China. Sorry, sir. I can't build there. Let's build. That's a good choice.
I'm carrying the
Your inferior strategy has led you to this place, General. You can't win now.
I built for China.
Armor, crush them.
Let orders complete, sir.
Unit lost.
It will look real nice when it's done.
I like the big targets.
Construction
Chamber
is
upgrade
complete.
is complete.
We will live in prosperity. Nice location.
Soon the field will fill with tanks. My
Building the
tanks.
Chinese Empire. Build orders complete, sir. China will grow larger. Building is prosperity. I just what it needs. Let's build. No problem.
Enjoy the rest, General. Soon the attacks will begin again.
China will need a new supply source.
Unit lost.
China's rocket soldier carrying the big gun. We'll tear through their armor. I like the big targets.
China has been generous. That's not a good...
All units, attack.
Tank hunter here. China's rocket soldier.
Where do you want these? Keep the money flowing. You're shooting at my planes? Do you think this is the best tactic against me, General?
Construction is complete.
Unit lost.
Building the Chinese Empire.
I'm carrying the big gun.
Nice base, General.
We will
Care
live
to
in
surrender it?
prosperity. Let's build. Nice location. China has been generous. That's a good choice.
Enemy tanks out there.
We're awaiting
Orders
your
complete,
assault,
sir.
General.
We will live
But
in
I'm beginning to
prosperity.
wonder if it will ever
China
come.
will grow larger.
China's rocket soldier.
Unit lost.
China has been generous. A very good plan, General. Construction built to spec. Building is complete.
I like the big target. Tear through their armor.
Built for China.
This spells your doom, General.
China has been generous. No problem. We have big plans.
Tear through their armor.
We will live in prosperity.
Enemy tanks out there. On the hunt. China's rocket soldier. I like the big targets. Let's find the tank.
Let's build. Nice location.
Our war factories are working hard to make more tanks just for you, General.
Construction built to spec.
We're in your base, General. Your defenses were inadequate.
We have big plans. It will look real nice when it's done. We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice. Building is complete. Orders complete, sir. I build for China. We will live in prosperity.
How much longer can you survive such losses, General? Perhaps it is time to consider surrender?
Unit lost.
My forces are at your door, General.
China is under attack!
Let's build.
Supply truck here. Our supplies over there. Keep the money flowing.
No system is safe.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
Our base is being attacked!
Unit lost.
There's always a way in.
Tanks amass in our base, preparing for the final assault. Will your defenses hold this time?
system is
Be
safe.
generous. Nice location.
I fear this will end you, General.
Construction built by spec for China.
Laptop in hand.
Unit lost.
Subliminal messaging upgrade.
This will be your last chance to prove yourself, General. Soon my tanks will end your pitiful army.
Enemy tanks out there, let's find the tank.
We will live in prosperity. That's a good choice.
Unit lost.
Building is complete. China has been generous.
China is under attack!
Can you feel the
have big
thunderous
plans.
song of approaching armor, General?
prosperity.
Uplink cables ready.
I
No
built for
system is
China.
safe.
No problem.
No system is safe.
We are pretty busy here. You cannot believe your luck will hold
Resuming
out
the
much
supply
longer,
routes.
can you, General? Are you protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look?
No system is
We
safe.
will live in prosperity. Nice location.
I can cripple their facilities.
Construction built to spec.
No system.
Let's build.
It's quiet out there,
Just what
General.
it needs.
There must be a lot of tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think? Are you impressed with the modifications to my tanks, General?
Unit lost.
Batteries charged. Nobody will
Notice
laptop
that money
in
is
hand.
missing.
Building the Chinese Empire. We will live in prosperity. No problem.
Armor? Crush them. Tanks!
Let's
Build
build
more
some
tanks!
Here, let me help. We will live in prosperity.
No system is safe.
Another battalion is on its way, General. Please make them feel welcome.
China has been generous.
All units, attack!
Unit lost.
Ah, this is the part of the battle I enjoy the most. The part just before I finish off my enemy.
We will live in prosperity. I built for China.
Nice base, General. Care to surrender it?
That's a good choice. Construction built to
General,
spec.
our base is under attack.
We have big plans. A very good plan, General.
I'm carrying the big gun. On the hunt.
China has been generous.
Tear through their armor.
Building is complete.
We'll tear through their armor. Tank hunter here. Yes, General. I'm carrying the big
This
gun.
spells your doom, General.
They're attacking our base.
Tanks, move faster before our opponent considers an actual attack.
China's rocket soldier. Moving rocket launcher.
Your barracks has fallen to my tanks, General.
Building a Chinese empire. Building a Chinese empire.
We're in your base, General. Your defenses were inadequate.
I built for China. We have big plans. Nice location. Construction built to spec. Let's build. That's a good choice. We will live in prosperity. China will grow larger. Build orders complete, sir. Construction built to spec.
My forces are at
Nice
your door,
location.
General.
I built for China.
I am going to take this time to construct more defenses. No, wait. I'll build more tanks instead.
I can cripple their facilities. Uplink cables ready.
Construction
I can
built to
cripple their
spec.
facilities.
China has been generous. A very good plan, General.
No system is safe.
Construction is complete.
The Iron Dragon marches through your puny defenses.
No system is safe.
Unit lost.
No system is safe.
We'll tear through their armor.
Upgrade
There's always
complete.
a way
We'll
in.
tear through their armor.
Your tactics amuse me, General.
We'll tear through their armor.
No system is safe.
We'll tear through their armor. We'll tear through their armor.
Uplink cables ready.
I feared this will end you, General.
We have exhausted the supply. Tank hunter here.
Let's build. Here, let me help.
I can cripple their facilities. No system is safe. Batteries charged. No system is safe. Uplink cables ready.
Enjoy the rest, General. Soon the attacks will begin again.
Unit lost.
No system is safe.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General?
Batteries charged.
This is tight schedule. More provisions on the way.
Unit lost. Upgrade complete.
We will live in prosperity.
Are you protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look?
Construction is complete.
We're awaiting your assault, General, but I'm beginning to wonder if it will ever come.
Building the Chinese Empire. Building the Chinese
Unit
Empire.
lost.
Nationalism will bring us
Building
victory.
the Chinese Empire. Let's build. I just
Are you impressed with the modifications to my tanks, General?
I just want to I built for China. Could use a little touch-up. We will live in prosperity.
Black Lotus, you grace us with your presence. Perhaps you would consider fighting for me.
I built for China. We have big plans, China. No problem. Let's build. Could use a little touch-up.
Armor, crush them.
Unit lost. Upgrade complete.
Our war factories are working hard to make more tanks just for you, General.
China has been generous. I build for China. No problem.
Unit lost.
Soon the field will fill with tanks. My tanks.
No system is safe.
We have big plans. Here, let me help. I build for
No system
China.
is safe.
I know just what it needs. We have big plans. A very good plan, General.
How much longer can you survive such losses, General? Perhaps it is time to consider surrender.
We'll tear through their armor.
All units, attack!
Nice location. We have big
We'll tear
plans.
through their armor.
No system is safe.
That's a good choice. We will
We'll tear
live in
through their armor.
prosperity. China will grow larger.
We'll tear through their armor.
Construction is complete.
No system is safe.
Construction built to spec.
I like the big target.
Tanks amass in our base, preparing for the final
That's a
assault.
good
Will your
choice.
defenses hold this time?
We have big plans. A very good plan. Construction is complete. Spec.
Nice base, General. Care to surrender it?
China has been generous. That's a good choice. Build orders complete, sir.
Uplink cables ready. Nobody will notice their money is missing. No system is safe.
Build orders complete, sir. We will live in prosperity. It will look real nice when it's done. I build for China.
No system is safe.
A very good plan, General. Build orders complete, sir. China has been generous.
This spells your doom, General.
Where do you want these?
Construction is complete.
in hand. There's always a way. Laptop in hand.
This will be your last chance to prove yourself, General. Soon my tanks will end your pitiful army.
No system. No system.
We're in your base, General. Your defenses were inadequate.
No system is safe. No system is safe. No system is safe.
You cannot believe your luck will hold out much longer, can you, General?
No system is safe. No system is safe. I can cripple their facilities. Batteries charged. Uplink cables ready. Laptop in hand. Safe. Nobody will notice the money cables.
My forces are at your door, General.
Transfer. No system is safe.
Give me a job.
Are you ready?
No system is safe.
Overlord is Gatling cannon will be ready soon.
No system is safe. No
Are
system
you
is safe.
ready? What do you need? Gatling cannon is ready.
No system is safe.
Speaker tower is ready.
No system is safe. I can cripple their facilities.
The Iron Dragon marches through your
I
puny
can cripple
defenses.
their facilities. No system is batteries charged. I can cripple their facilities.
Unit lost.
Batteries charged.
Time.
No system is
It's
safe.
quiet out there, General.
will be
There must be a
ready
lot of
soon.
tanks rolling towards your base, don't you think?
No system is safe.
Speaker tower is ready.
No system is safe.
What do you need? Gatling cannon will be ready soon. Are you ready?
Unit
This is
lost.
the Overlord tank. Extra speaker tower will be ready.
I fear this will end you, General.
We will live in prosperity. Are you ready? It is time. This is the Overlord tank. I am the Gatling cannon. Extra will be ready soon. It won't be long. Gatling cannon is ready.
Can you feel the thunderous song of approaching armor, General? tanks! Build more tanks! So, you're trying to match my tanks in the field. I question your tactics, General.
General, our base is under
I
attack.
can cripple
Unit
their
lost.
facilities. Uplink cables ready. Preparing for credit transfer. I can cripple their facilities. Laptop in hand. I can cripple their facilities.
I am big. Gatling cannon will be ready soon. I will crush. Speaker tower will be ready
Let's
soon.
build. Of course.
Speaker
We have
tower
big
is
plans.
ready.
China Let's be generous.
Gatling cannon is ready.
Are you protecting your flanks, General? Why don't we have a look?
Overlord tank.
Unit lost.
It is time. Overlord is waiting. Gatling cannon is ready. I will crush. Speaker tower will be ready soon.
Unit lost.
Speaker tower.
Another battalion is on its way, General. Please make them feel welcome.
What is next?
Are you impressed with the modifications to my tanks, General?
Are you ready? I am big. Gatling cannon will be ready soon.
Black Lotus has
We
been
will live
discovered.
in prosperity.
Need a transfer. Unit lost.
Are you ready?
We have
Gatling
big
cannon
plans.
is ready.
Here, let me help. I build for China.
Armor, crush them.
Overlord is waiting. Gatling cannon will be ready soon. I am big. Speaker tower will be ready soon. I will crush. Speaker tower is ready.
This is the part of the battle I enjoy the most. The part just before I finish off my enemy.
Are you ready? Gatling cannon is ready.
We will live in prosperity. It will look real nice when it's done.
Soon the field will fill with tanks. My tanks.
Building is complete.
Let's pick up some goods.
What do you need? I am big. Overlord is waiting.
Let's pick up some goods.
This is the Overlord. Speaker tower will be ready extra large. I am
Let's
in
pick up some
control.
goods.
Speaker tower is ready.
Thanks, move faster, before our opponent considers an actual attack. All units, attack!
Let's pick up some goods.